I'll do now sealing. Sealing means fixing. Right? Yes. From join. Right? Understand?
Yes.
Now you should always clean your instrument on the regular interval. You know why? Because the wax is carbon-carbon chain. It burns, release carbon, the oxygen will react with the carbon and it will become carbon dioxide and you will inhale for 5-6 hours and you will be sick. So please,
system.
excuse me?
For respiratory system.
Yes. So you should always clean by using the Kleenex. Right? Come on. See this dirty carbon. This boy never ever cleaned his instrument. They never cleaned. If you clean 100 times, you'll get 100 times carbon. And this carbon, not today, tomorrow, it will be dangerous. This carbon burning 5 gram carbon equivalent to 100 smoking.
100 carbon. That's
200. 200
Yes.
سيجارة. لا أحتاج شيء شو
شفطيني ولا
Now,
الناس بيفقدها ما أدري
خلاص. Now the inside palatally I have to seal. So what I am doing? Khalli, sabbi. Stand up and see. What I am doing? I am melting the wax and rotating the wax.
كفتها
I am melting the wax and rotating the wax.
يدوب ويحرك الدموع.
عشان شو؟
Can you see?
إن شاء الله بينجح.
Can you see? تعال. So again one more time I will show you how to attach inside.
الجوال.
See, I am making liquid type of, right? And wherever I feel it is not going on that top, I will melt little and now will be rotate. Hello?
Yes. Liquid.
So now I roll the wax, first step. I given the U shape to wax, second step. Third step, I fix the wax with heating. Fourth step, I compress the wax
From
right
back.
from the back. So I got the slope.
not from the
No.
Interior.
No. You should not. Now I am adjusting. Okay. Then I seal the wax from outside and inside. Outside it will be little weak, but many times if I do, it will be sealed. Right? Now, how to know that this both area is equal? Sunada. What is this?
Special, big special.
Thailand, get them.
يقول بك سبيشال
This is hot plate. Hot plate.
Hot plate. Okay.
So, this hot plate
أفغان
will be hot, right? and it can be kept like this, right? It should touch all the surfaces, then only. This boy really kicked my everything.
Fine. نفرق
Keep it away, please keep it away.
بدل بها قاعد فيه
ساتر كله ما بس
وش هذا؟
اسمها ابحاث يا بدر بحوث هذه.
If your instruments are not clean, it will become a black, and if you do the black, your marks will be cut. That means your work and instruments were not clean. We know that.
Everyone must to get this. Doctor,
Excuse me.
everyone must to get this.
Yes, I told you in beginning.
Yeah.
Cup and this.
Gyptons.
I got the flat surface. Girlfriend phone.
يبغى تروح علي.
Be careful, be careful.
مرتين يا شيخ. هيئت يا شيخ.
Gitari.
بدك تتبلى في العرب اليوم.
هذا الوقت هذا.
Huh? Gitari. What happened? You also didn't sleep? Huh? Because he didn't sleep.
والله ما تدري يا دكتور.
Don't laugh, don't laugh. Now, so every time when I do this job, I have to see that if I am right or wrong. How to know the right and wrong? You have the guidance of midline, outside, ridge line. It should always center of ridge line. Arba mili hai na, arba mili hai na.
Center.
And wherever it cut, it is canine line. Automatically, science. I am doing in front of you, but I don't matching, but still it is matching. Because this is science. If you follow the step by step, you will reach on the destination. Malum? Now my job is to give the shape. Now my job is to give the shape. The shape is not like this, right? Oh, that's done.
No.
Did you reduce, huh? Yes. Okay, let it be less. I don't want. Plus. You don't need more than this. Be careful, Khatana. It burns. And don't touch. It's not only for him, it's for everyone.
Yes, that's
Number one. Number two, your instrument will be hot. Before touching the instrument, you should feel it. Now it was like this. Now it is. I made it straight. Right? You will enjoy if you have good control heating. If you do overheating, you will be chopped nicely. This is wax. I'm touching and removing. What the student does, they keep and they do massaging. No massaging business here. Touch and remove, because wax against the heat. If you give heat, wax will flow like water, and you will reduce and again no hassle for you especially. Okay? Understand?
Yes.
Now, if I want to do for outer, I will not do it with the cast. I will leave the cast, I will hold it. Now, this is my cast border line. This should not go out. It should be parallel to the boundary, right? This is my boundary. It should not go out. It should be parallel, right? Somebody has taken my spatula. Now this is not the spatula which I am supposed to use.
Plastic bas. Not yes.
Yeah, but Sabab, he would like to use plastic spatula.
والله من اليوم انا جمعها لك والله جمعها لك خمس حبات كمان
سيد ابعد شوي. ايوه.
Anybody got a spatula in the box?
No. حتى هذا سبيشال ده ذكر.
وين
لا يبغى يشوف. لا يبغى يشوف انت موسخ ولا لا؟
والله ما ادري انام والله
وصف
لا انا بدي اسيله الله
امشي. تضرب في الخوص. فتقلب على جنب الغضب وتقلب.
والله الدوم امس نزلت الله يسعدك
Boys,
شباب.
مسؤولياتك انت تجمع عليك.
We don't have like this spatula.
لقينا
زين اعطى مويه
I'm going and just going once, not massaging here, right? You will, I know 100% you will do massage, and this massage will take you somewhere else. So please avoid. You should have it.
لا يقول لازم يلا.
هذا الجاي ولا ايش دخلنا هذا الحين؟ خلاص كمل بنيانك شفت؟
Can you see this is U shape?
يب
Can you see?
Just like this.
Huh?
Just like
Or just like this. So many things you have to do. So many things you have to do.
هندسة
كيف يقصني؟
Then this gap has to be filled. Right? Real prosthetic, now it will start. So far you are enjoying it.
نفس الطول.
تبغى ترقع انت غير قطه رحت ثبتينا
حسيت انه واحد قشطني والله.
والله ما جيتك يمين بالله. بشان فرق يعني.
ايش سالفته؟
صدق لو سوى شيء هني برقبتك.
اسأل.
تفضل.
كم وصل؟
15
15 وباقي 10 ظني قبلها.
دقيقة ونص.
نص ضحك وسوي.
هلا وسهلا.
تطير بعض الناس عرفت؟
انا برضه نبغى نص صح؟
الا دحين تستفيد منه. كيف تبدا؟ تحفظ الطريقة.
ما ترسل واتساب والله.
So this area you can
يوتيوب
heat the wax.
سيد
Whatever. Whatever.
فول اجين.
There is some problem.
هز راسه الدكتور يا
You should will take help from the border. Understand? Yes. So you should not go out of limit. Right?
together.
Yes.
لا تعدى.
يعني لا تجي هنا.
نمسها مع بعض.
This should
لا
be.
لا يا اخي واحدة على
هذه رقع عرفت؟
ليش كفر؟
هذا قطع ركبه. كمل كمل هي الفازلين ترى ماخذ الفازلين عشان يشحم البيجر. ايش اسمه نرجع
شوف لك حل في البيت انت صدق. معلش.
Please, boys, pay attention. It is going to be difficult otherwise.
ربعت معك.
Once, if you think that you are unable to control the heat and unable to control where is the water? You can put it in water to control the flow.
شرب منه. ما يبغى يصب بشرب.
لا صدق.
الله يجي باينه.
عشانك قم روح انت مدرة والله يا رجال بغيت اقول بس كبه على طول.
حسب انه قليل انا.
منين يفتح.
No problem, it will dry.
بمشي يعني.
Now,
بالعافيه.
boys, خلاص.
Yes.
Now, the posteriorly, it is too much, right? So what I will do, I will cut this posteriorly.
Like this.
Yes.
So second premolar.
Yes. Arrangement will be till second premolar.
انا ابغى نشوف.
Right? Understand or not?
Yes.
But this is
what?
important for the
Yes.
ما هنا الله ياخذ قال صورته انا ما انزلها طيب حطها في الانستغرام
تصور
You should always use this wax knife for heating and polishing purpose.
وصل 20 بالوقت
20.
Now it is very hot, so I am cooling. Now I am heating this portion. I am heating this portion to give shape here.
شيبات.
قدام كيف shape?
بس شوف كذا.
Put your tongue and see. How's your shape?
فكيف يسأل
راوندد.
انا ما ادري
شوف هنا.
ها.
Right? Is it difficult?
No.
Very easy.
Liquid.
بيكسر
ايوه.
بينتفع المطعم يبيع المطعم
عشان بالله خليه ياخذ لنا صورة فوتوغرافية.
صورة في المطعم ها
Understand?
بالك من الله.
That's all. ايوه بالك من الله يعني تتهمني بس فهمتك كيف؟ صبر انك كنست على الباب يا اخي اقسم انا قلت لهم بنظف بالتجاره روح هذا اللي طافي ما تسوي خلاص اختبار يقول لك لا بالك من الله يعني والله جد وانا في ساعتين
You can't use your finger.
You use finger.
حصل خير حصل خير والله ما في شر
هنا دكتور.
ما حصل خير كفري انت خير انت ايش سوى؟
This is how I work in hospital, doctor. إن شاء الله.
ما ابغاك
أنا dental.
Tech. Yes.
ما تنفع على الوجه صح؟
I added wax, now it has become uniform. The wax which I added, it has become a uniform now.
متحد.
United.
يونيفورم.
Uniform. Uniform يعني
خلاص يا ولد
واحد.
تحبونه خلاص
واحد.
شو تفكر في راسك؟
مو United.
Right? Understand?
يس يس
It was less, I added wax, now I polished in such a way that it has become a one. Uniform. Right? This is how you have to make, number one. Now, if you see, this and this height is not equal. Not equal.
From where?
Back you see this height from here and
Yes,
this height
yes.
is not equal. So this is more.
Yes.
Right? So what you can do, this is